Welcome to the video. If you want to create a perfect Fiverr gig using ChatGPT in just a few minutes, then you're in the right place. Quick question before we start. Have you ever created a Fiverr gig before? Yes or no? Tell me in the comments. All right, without wasting a second, let's jump straight into the Fiverr dashboard. I'm clicking on Create a New Gig. This is the most important part because here we need gig title, category, subcategory, services, search tags, and guess what? We don't have to write anything manually. Watch this carefully. I simply copied the text from Fiverr's screen, whatever Fiverr asked me, and I pasted it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT instantly gave me 1. A perfect gig title, best category for my service, correct subcategory, SEO search tags, positive keywords, and even metadata suggestions. Question for you, should I create a step-by-step script for every Fiverr section? Comment yes if you want that. Now we move to the next part, the pricing section. Here we create our basic, standard, and premium packages. Again, I didn't think too much. I used the same method. I copied the empty package fields, pasted into ChatGPT, and I simply told ChatGPT I need basic for listing only, standard for store handling, and premium for full automation plus profit. ChatGPT created professional package names, 100-character descriptions, full detailed offerings, value-driven service outlines. Let me ask you, should I make a full video on how to structure perfect Fiverr packages? Tell me in comments. Now, once my package titles and descriptions were ready, I moved straight into the next part of the pricing section, the delivery time, features, and pricing table. Here, Fiverr asks for things like number of days for delivery, inventory management, order management, customer assistance, payment processing, and pricing for each package. And once again, I followed the same simple system. Next, we move to the description section. Here, I again copied Fiverr's instructions and pasted them into ChatGPT. ChatGPT wrote me a full 1,200-character SEO description, a powerful hook, service details, strong closing CTA, and a conversion-optimized explanation. Then in the FAQ section, Fiverr gives us multiple choice questions. So I added questions like, what service do you need? Do you want dropshipping or store management? Do you want live screen sharing? Plus, I added custom questions to understand the buyer's store needs. Question, do you want me to create a ready-made FAQ library for all Fiverr gigs? Type FAQ in comments. Now comes the requirements section. Here, Fiverr asks for documents or references. So I added 1. A screenshot from my eBay seller account. You can see my sales, $93,412. I took this using Snipping Tool. 2. A second image created using ChatGPT image generation, which I also uploaded. 3. A short eBay seller account video, because Fiverr requires a gig video for better ranking. I just recorded a few seconds from my screen. Ask yourself, should I make a tutorial on how to record Fiverr gig videos professionally? Comment video if you want that. This part is super important because a high-quality gig image increases Fiverr clicks. Here's what I did. Took screenshot of my eBay sales page, asked ChatGPT to generate a professional gig image, downloaded the HD file, uploaded directly to Fiverr. This entire process took only 3 to 4 minutes, and the result was a perfect HD gig image that looks extremely professional and attractive. Question, should I provide free gig image templates? Comment image if you want them. Final section, uploading video plus publishing gig. Now I selected my gig image, gig video, additional screenshots, then I clicked Save and Continue. After checking everything, Fiverr showed the final button, Publish Gig. I clicked it, and then Fiverr showed the message, your gig is open for business. Just click Done, and your gig is live. Your Fiverr journey begins. If this video helped you, then please thumbs up. Hit the like button. Comment your questions below. Subscribe to the channel because I am creating more Fiverr, eBay, and ChatGPT automation tutorials. Tell me in comments which Fiverr gig you want next. I reply to every comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rocket Fire!